In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a subtask to a parent task in ClickUp. If you're organizing work in ClickUp, there may be times when a subtask grows into something bigger and deserves to stand on its own. Converting it into a parent task is a simple way to give it more visibility and make it easier to manage as a separate item. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that. To begin, open the parent task that currently contains the subtask you want to convert. This is the main task where the subtask is nested. Once you're inside the task view, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct task before moving forward, especially if you're working in a busy list with several related items. Next, scroll down until you find the subtask section. This is where all subtasks connected to the parent task are displayed. From here, click on the specific subtask you want to turn into its own task. Opening the subtask first is important because the conversion option is located inside that subtask's own menu. Once the subtask is open, look to the upper right corner of the task window and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions and settings for that task. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry, it's nested inside another menu. After opening the three-dot menu, hover over the option labeled Convert To. This will expand a submenu with different conversion choices. In this case, the option you want is the one that changes the subtask into a parent level task. Go ahead and select Parent Task. As soon as you click it, ClickUp will convert that subtask into a standalone parent task. This means it will no longer sit underneath the original task as a subtask. After the conversion is complete, the task will become a separate parent level task in the same list. That's helpful because it keeps the task in the same workspace location, so you don't have to go searching for it afterward. You can then manage it independently, assign it separately, or continue building it out as its own task. And that's all it takes. Converting a subtask to a parent task in ClickUp is quick, but it can make a big difference when your project structure changes and a smaller item becomes important enough to stand on its own. Thanks for watching.